First, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Isabel and I was actually sick for 18 months after I had my thyroid out in the year 2017. I thought I was exiting this planet, literally. And some of the horrible symptoms I experienced were bad anxiety, erupting GERD, depression, panic attacks, no appetite, weight loss. My healthy weight was 120 and I lost 28 pounds during that time, which I couldn't afford that, but I lost 28 pounds. I scared myself. I was so skinny. My brain went through a change that was so frightening. I couldn't even begin to explain what I was feeling. Still can't. So I cried every day for 17 months, not from sadness but from this strange happening that was happening in my body. Like I said, I can't explain it. I was terribly fearful of everything. I couldn't sleep or stay awake, if that makes any sense. I was put on unhealthy drugs by healthcare professionals, and finally I found Dr. LeBay online and signed up for her program, which was in the middle of June. I began her detox program in June 19th, and toward the end of the program, I started feeling like my old self again. I was like, oh, wow. So I felt good about that. So then I began the vitamin program, Dr. LeBay's vitamin program, and I've been on them now for 2 weeks. Yeah, about 2 weeks. And although I'm not 100% back to my normal self, I'm very close to it. And, I attribute this to my diligence in following Dr. LeBay's program. But if I was never given a program, I would still be on this horrible roller coaster. So Dr. LeBay has made this all possible for me. She gave me hope from the very beginning when other healthcare professionals said, well, maybe it's this and maybe it's that. She explained every symptom that I had and why I was having them. And I'm telling you, when you're this sick, that helps tremendously. So I thank God for her from the bottom of my heart. And now I can rejoin the world as I always knew it. I love gardening. I love bike riding. I love everything. I love life. And now I'm back alive again. So thank you, Dr. LeBay, for everything that you did for me from the bottom of my heart.